Hello students, subscribers, and viewers. There is a problem which was solved, which I also solved by three-moment equations from structural analysis 9.4, then by slope deflection equations, structural analysis 10.4a, then structural analysis 11.4a by the moment distribution method by generating the internal moments and the moment at A. Then finally, then this time by matrix approach, so determine the moments at A, B, C, and D. Support downward movements A 6 mm, B 12 mm, C 9 mm, D 4 mm, and E 0. So EI is 150 kilonewton meter square. So since this is matrix approach, we compute the fixed moments due to the load and due to side sway moments or support settlements. And for the load, it is negative W 60, 9 square over 30 at the left, it's negative. And for the support settlements or side sway, negative 6 EI delta over L square. The delta is treated positive here because the rotation of chord AB is clockwise, and the matrix solution is based on the convention, sign convention by slope deflection equation. So rotation of chord AB is clockwise. 12 minus 6 is 6 mm. So 6 mm is treated positive in the formula. This is the formula, negative 6 EI delta over L square. So this value is negative 200 over 3, which is the same for BA, and the left side value is combined with this negative 200 over 3, we get negative 683 over 3 kilonewton meter. Since it is negative, it is counterclockwise in this uh, figure here. Then fixed moment BA is positive due to the load here, WL square over 20, 69 square over 20. Then side sway or support settlement moments, negative 200 over 3. So we get positive 509 over 3 kilonewton meter. So that's the fixed moment at B due to the combined effect of the load and the support settlements. Then BC, due to the load, the negative WL square over 12, negative 47 square over 12, which is negative 490 over 3. Then due to support movement, the delta is 3 mm, 12 minus 9, but delta this time is treated negative because the rotation of the chord BC is counterclockwise. So minus 6 EI delta negative 0.003 over 7 square. And the value of this support side sway moment is 2700 over 49. Combined with negative 490 over 3, it is negative 50910 over 147 kilonewton meter. Negative means counterclockwise in this analysis because it is based from slope deflection equation. So it is applied as shown. Next, for CB, due to the load, it is positive of 490 over 3 because of symmetry. Then due to the support settlements 2749 combined 32 110 over 147 positive, so it is clockwise as shown. Then for CD, due to the load, negative 50 times 2 times 3 square over L square, negative P A B square over L square, so negative 36 due to support movements. Delta is 5 mm, 9 minus 4, and it is treated negative because the rotation of chord CD is counterclockwise. So minus 6 EI delta negative 0.005 over 5 square, and it is equal to positive 160. 180 rather. So 180 minus 36 is 144. So that's 180. It is erased, but you can evaluate that. So 144 kilonewton positive, so it is clockwise as shown. Then fixed moment DC is positive 50, 2 squared, 3 over 5 square, then plus due to support settlements 180. So this is 24 plus 180, 204 kilonewton meter. Then fixed moment DE is due to the load. We do not anticipate the sign. We just evaluate using the formula. Moment B, moment is positive 180 because it is clockwise. B is 4 over L square, quantity 2L minus 3B. So this is 0 because 12 minus 12 is 0. Then due to support movements, negative 6 EI. Delta is again negative because the rotation of CD is counterclockwise. It is negative 4 mm, 4 minus 0, and negative 0.004 in the formula here, over 6 square, so it is 100, so that's why it's 100 as applied here. And finally, fixed moment ED, MA, 180 times A, 2 meters, that's 2 meters, over L square, quantity 2 times 6 minus 3 times A, 3 times 2. So this is 60 plus 100, supports moment due to side sway, so 160 kilonewton meter. So it is positive, it is clockwise here. Take note that this is fixed end moments. So for the fixed end forces, FAB, all you have to do is sum up moments about B equals 0 considering AB, and it is FAB times 9 plus 529 over 3 equals 686 over 3 plus the moment of the load 1/2 of 9 times 60 times 1/3 of 9, 3. So FAB is 95.815 kilonewtons. For FBA, supposedly we sum up moment about A, but for easy calculation so that the solution will be faster, is just sum up forces vertical. So FBA equals load minus FAB. So 95.815 summation forces Y plus FBA equals load, area of the load, 1/2 of 9 times 60. So FBA is 174.185 kilonewtons. This is for the member forces later. FBC, so summation moment C equals 0. FBC times 7 plus 321110 over 147 equals 5910 over 147 plus moment of the load 40 times 7 times 3.5. We obtain FBC is 124.257 kilonewtons. Then FCB, summation forces Y, FCB. So FBC 124.257 plus FCB equals area 40 times 7. So FCB is 155.740 kilonewtons. Then for portion CD, FCD, summation moment D, FCD times 5 plus 204 plus 144 equals 50 times 3. So FCD is negative 39.6 kilonewtons. Then summation forces Y negative 39.6 plus FDC equals 50. So FDC is 89.6 kilonewtons positive. Finally, in DE, summation moment E equals 0, FDE times 6, then plus 160 plus 100 plus 180 equals 0. So FD is negative 73.333 kilonewtons. Since there's no other load, just the couple load, so FED should be the negative of FDE. So since FD is negative, FED is 73.333 kilonewtons. So this is upward, this is FDE downward. Then for the stiffness of each member element AB, so students in matrix structural analysis should no longer ask for the preparations of these values. You know this already. So I just reviewed for this 12 EI over L cube, 12 times EI, treat 1 times divided by 9 cube, so that's 4 over 243. Here it's 6 EI over L square, 6 times 1 over 9 square, so 2 over 27. The negative of that, and you just copy this. 6 over EI, 6 EI over L square, so 2 over 27, 4 EI over L, so 4 over 9, the negative of 2 over 27, then half of 4 over 9 or 2 EI over L. Then the negative of the first row, then copy the second row, interchange 4 over 9 and 2 over 9 position. So that's it. That's the flow. So I will no longer explain the value of the stiffness of BC. So EI, factor out EI because it is constant. That's the stiffness of BC. Then CD and DE. And these are the numberings. Since the important joints are B, C, D, and E, because the support A is fixed, theta A is always 0. So we are only interested of the joint displacements, rotations at B, C, D, and E. There are 4 unknowns here where your calculator can solve. So the net global forces, global loads, nodal loads, would be 529 minus 529 over 3, treat this clockwise as positive, minus 5910 over 147. The result, whether if it is positive, so it means counterclockwise. If it is negative, it means clockwise. Because remember, nodal loads are opposite to fixed end moments or fixed end forces. So we get 529 over 3 minus 15910 over 147. The result is positive and it is 3337 over 49. That's why it is counterclockwise. Remember, in matrix, counterclockwise is positive. It is only in slope deflections, moment distribution method, 3 moment equations where the sign convention clockwise positive. So this is the result, positive counterclockwise. At C, so this is node B where theta is 4, mark number 4, C 6, D 8, and E 10. So 4, 6, 8, 10. The numbering important. So at C, 32,110 over 147, that's clockwise, plus 144 clockwise. So the result is positive clockwise, the net fixed end moments, but the load is counterclockwise, opposite to that. That's why positive counterclockwise, 53,278 over 147. At D, 204 plus 100 clockwise, so the load is counterclockwise, 304, 204 plus 100. Then at E, this is clockwise, so counterclockwise, 160. So we now put the global forces here. the all positive counterclockwise, then equals EI. Then we have 4, 6, 8, 10, which corresponds to U4, U6, U8, U10, theta B, theta C, theta D, and theta E. Then for 4, you add 4 over 9 and 4 over 7, we get 64 over 63. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, so it's just 2 over 7. There's no 4, 8, there's no 4, 10, so 0, 0, copy 2 over 7, 0, 0 by symmetry. Remember, 6, 6, 6, 6 is 4 over 7 plus 4 over 5. 4 over 7 plus 4 over 5 is 48 over 35. 6, 8, 6, 8, 2 fifths. So 2 fifths. There's no 6, 10, so 0. Copy 2 fifths, copy 0. Then this is 8, 8. 8, 8 is 4 over 5 plus 2 thirds. So 22 over 15. 8, 10. 8, 10 is 1 third. So 1 third. Copy 1 third. Then lastly, 10, 10 is 2 thirds. So 2 thirds. We can now compute these displacements. This U4, U6, U8, U10 using your calculator is the product of the inverse of this matrix, reduced stiffness matrix, times this force matrix here. We obtain U4, theta B, U6, theta C, U8, theta D, U10, theta E as 0.497312 over EI, theta B, theta C 234.897 over EI, theta D 100.032 over EI, and theta E 189.984 over EI. Since EI is 150,000, dividing this by 150,000, we get these values in radians. From here, we can now compute the member forces. So force P1 is shear AB, which corresponds to RA, moment AB, which is the moment at A, shear BA, which is RB left, and moment BA, which is moment at B. Because in matrix, moment at B is moment BA. In three moment equations, slope deflection equations, and in moment distribution method, moment at B is moment BC. So remember, they are opposite because of sign convention. Clockwise in the classical methods, then counterclockwise in matrix approach, positive. So we grab the stiffness of AB, then these are the displacements, delta A0, theta A0, delta B0, and this is theta B. So obtaining the product of this matrix and this, plus the fixed end forces. Fixed end forces in AB, 95.815. This is positive 686 over 3. Then at B, FBA is 174.185. And moment, this is clockwise, so it's negative 529 over 3. And we obtained these values. So shear AB, which is RA 95.887 kilonewtons, we checks with the results in the three moment equation. Structural analysis 9.4, so you just refer to that video there. So 95.887. Then moment A 228.883, which is correct. This is positive because it is counterclockwise. In the classical methods, it should be negative because at A, clockwise should be positive. So positive for positive moment. Since this is counterclockwise, positive in matrix, so it is negative in moment AB. R sub B is, so fixed end forces for member forces for BC. This is the calculations. So shear BC, RB right, MBC, shear B, CB, RC left, moment CB, which is M sub C. So stiffness of BC, displacements, then plus fixed end forces, In BC, I already explained that, obtained here 124.257 for FBC. Then this is counterclockwise, so positive 15,910 over 147. FCB 155.743. Then moment, fixed and force moment, this is clockwise, so negative 32,110 over 147. So the product of this matrix and this plus this fixed and forces, we get this 153.139, MBC 175.905, share C left 126.861, moment C negative 83.93, which is correct. Then for CD, I will now explain that to shorten the video. This would be the results. Then for DE, stiffness, displacements, fixed and forces, this will be the results. So RA, as I said, is 95.887. Moment at A is the negative of that value. Then RB is shear BA plus shear BC. Shear BA 174.113 plus shear BC 153.139. We obtained 327.254 kilonewtons, which is the same in 3-moment equation and 3-moment equations. MB is MBA negative 175.901. Correct. R sub C is shear CB plus shear CD. Shear CB 126.861 plus shear CD 40.783, we get 167.644 kilonewtons. M sub C is just MCB negative 83.93. RD is shear DC or RD left plus shear DE, which is RD right. Shear DC shear DC 9.217 plus shear DE negative 24.997, so negative 15.78 kilonewtons, which is correct. Then MD is just MDC, negative 30.016 kilonewton meter. RE is shear ED or RE left, and it is equal to 24.997. Finally, moment at T, which is expected 0, is really indeed 0. So that's it for this video because it's now long.